I am here with another easy butterfly craft. This time I will show you two different uses for the paper butterflies we will make. And we will only need paper, colored pencils and pens, scissors and a wooden stick for the optional use for this craft. Let's start with the hand puppet. First, fold the paper in half, draw the butterfly as shown and cut it out. After cutting the butterfly, draw patterns and color it as you like. Once you have done the butterfly, fold it in half and cut two lines around 1.5 to 2 centimeters, just enough to fit your finger. And this is the bonus use. Glue your butterfly on a stick, make a head, and play with your paper butterfly with the wooden stick. Now let's move on to the pencil toppers. Make the butterfly just as you did, but this time a little bit smaller. If you like, you may change the wing style and make it a little bit rounder this time. Once again, cut two lines. This time make the size of the cuts according to your pen or pencils you are going to use. I've shown you how to draw a butterfly and two different uses of paper butterflies. Hope you enjoyed them both. Please hit the like button if you like my paper butterflies, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, cause I'll be uploading easy to make, fun to play with craft videos every week. And do not leave yet, cause another video is up next. Or you may want to continue watching one of those videos I chose for you. Have fun, bye!